The coolest thing about this mini split is that it can run completely off of solar. The outdoor unit has the red and black wires that go to the solar panels, which I'm about to move, but you can see right here, I've got them on the tractor. I've just got 4 panels here on this setup that I've got an entire build video on. It's probably the easiest way you can actually mount solar panels to any flat surface. I chose to make mine out of some timbers off the property and put them on a skid so I can move them with the tractor. We can actually take our air conditioning and we can plug it directly into these solar panels. It's got the ports built right into it. And of course they're a little dirty from being outside, but you see right there we've got the AC side of it on the right, and that's going to plug directly into our house. And then we've got the red and the black, which go down here, and we can turn on this way, turn on that, and now we're powering from solar instead of from the house. And to prove it to you, I'm going to turn off the breaker right here. Okay, I heard a click over here, but it's still running, still cool in the house. So I'm in here now and everything, I mean, it's still blowing, super cold. It's set at 72 degrees right now, but you can see it's set on solar panels. We might not be able to see that, but it's got a light indicating that's what's going on. And it's blowing cold air, feels great, and we're no longer using grid energy. Now I said grid energy, but that's not actually accurate because previously, before I flipped the switch, the power was coming from these 6000 XPs and coming from these batteries down here, and then the batteries I've got over here in the corner. So we weren't really running off of the grid, so to speak. However, I was just trying to illustrate the point that you don't need all of this in order to have your air conditioner and your heater during the winter to be running off solar panels. Most people think if I'm going to install solar panels, I'm going to have to install all of this equipment, which really isn't that hard. I've got an entire series showing you how to do this. But all you have to do is get the air conditioner and plug it into solar panels, and that's it. It's so cool. If you like the idea of reducing or maybe even completely eliminating your electric bill and the cost of heating and cooling your home, check out this video right here where I walk you through the simple step-by-step process of building out this entire system. You could probably do it in an afternoon. See you there.